Hi, I'm Inigo Haldon. I'm the owner and tattoo artist for NJ. Kinda like doing Filipino-inspired tattoos. And well, I kinda do a lot of pointillism, that work, and I'm kinda now moving into doing more traditional American style, old times and stuff. I got into the tattoo business simply because I enjoy drawing. Everyone to take part in Street Jam, sponsored by Chunks and Whip Wraps.